So it's going to run right down where this grass is, where the volunteers are walking?
No, down this side.
Oh, just on the left side?
Yeah.
Okay.
As far as I know. And then we'll go down the left side of that. The roundabout has already got a culvert underneath it.
Okay.
So that was put down about 15, 16 years ago now. And we've still got to go under the cross city line.
Oh, okay.
Which we've got some funding for, but not lots.
Right, so this is it this morning. We're planting trees and saplings out along this fence and filling in the gaps along the road here. As you can see, someone's already dug out the holes. There's a lot of people here this morning. Okay, so that's all the whips put in. You see they've filled all the holes down there, and then I've been planting a few on the far side just along the hedgerow there. And now the next stage, we're going to clear all the gorse that we cut last time. As you can see, they've still got to plant a lot of plants all the way up along the edge of this fence. And they are planted up there, as you can see, along the edge. But eventually, when the canal's done, the canal will be running right through here, right down this grass bank to the bottom there. We're just off now back to the Falkland Road section where I was last time, trimming the gorse back. So we're going to go and collect up all the gorse, bring that back down to the basin. So I'll see you in a minute. That's where we were a minute ago, up there, planting all the whips. This is where the canal's going to be running eventually. If I turn you around, you can see the lock and the basin that you saw in my last video. So eventually the canal will come straight up to where I'm stood. They like their flags round here. They're on every lamppost. Now we're back at the basin. There's a shire horse. Alright, our job for the day is getting all this out of the canal. And there's woodlock down there that I showed you last time. Now then, this gorse that we're clearing, normally they would just put it in piles and burn it in the canal, as you can see there. They've already cleared that spot, but they don't want to do that where we are, so we're dragging it all out, and we're going to drag it back down this towpath and back to the basin, and it'll be burnt down there in a couple of weeks' time. And that's the canal with the gorse still in it. You can see the difference. We've been clearing all the gorse down there. Oh yeah, you've done more than us this morning.
Yeah, I've only done from there.
We'll go and drag it all down to the basin now. Right, I'm going up here to grab my last load of gorse and drag it back down to the basin, and that's me done for the day. It's 12 o'clock. can just see just how overgrown the canal's been with the gorse. They've cleared all that side of the bank already. And then they've cleared pretty much everything from here going back up to the lock. And that's what we've pulled out this morning, or what's left of it. So I'm just going to grab a couple of handfuls and walk back down to the basin, and that's me done. The basin's back down there near the houses. Okay, the canal's just up over there. We've just come down this path here. This is going to be the Fossway wetlands area. Once the canal's all finished, this will be filled in with the soil they're bringing from a section of the canal. When they dig that out and excavate it all, it'll be brought up here, levelled off. But there's some of the gorse we've been pulling out today. And where those two guys are down there, that's where we go back round into the basin. So this will be nothing to do with the canal by the time it's all finished. So that's the wetlands area back down there. Just got to go and see this guy at his van, give him his high-vis jacket back, and then we're done.